Okay, Harper. You ready? Look at that face. How happy she is to eat in it. Huh? No. You don't like it? You don't like? You don't like? I love the after faces when you swallow it. There's one. Is that good? There's another one. Is that no good? Huh? But it's so good for you, baby. Yeah. You don't like it? Oh, but you're so precious. Look at that face. Covered in food? Huh? Do you want to try another bite? You look like you do. Let's try one little tiny one. There it comes. Oh, sweetheart, you're doing so good. Now swallow. I know a bad face is going to come. There it is. Come on. Swallow, swallow. Oh, Mommy, I love my cereal so much. I love it. No. Oh, yeah? Tell me. Tell me how much you love your cereal. Oh, yeah? Can't see her feet right now, but they're going crazy. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby. Okay, Harper. You ready?